How to get Shein coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Shein coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working coupon code for Shein. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Groupon. Once you're in the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Shein. So you can see that 15% off, 70% off, free shipping, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code, then click on Shop Now. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Shein. Head back. You can also go through this one website, Coupon Follow, as in this website as well, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Shein. So this is how you can easily get a working Shein coupon code. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.